Hey there, it's John with PZM. In this video, I'm going to talk about the dashboard. So from the home screen in PZM, we're going to click the login button and you're going to put in your credentials to log into PZM. After we've signed in, we can see that this is our dashboard. And this is the page that you'll land on every time you log into the web app for PZM. So let's take it from the top down. On this dashboard, you'll notice the colored circles at the very top. This is an overall of your entire system. As you can see here, they've got 13,000 plus total completed inspections. I've found 355 open deficiencies and repaired 340. Got 153 total line patrol miles and 452 total assets in PZM. These two cards below are substation assets and line patrol assets. So as you can see here, 322 total substation assets, completed 13,000 plus inspections, found 297 deficiencies, repaired 242, and there are 55 open deficiencies. On the right card are line patrol sections. So 130 total line patrol sections. They've completed 8 patrols, found almost 400 deficiencies, repaired almost 100, and they have 300 open deficiencies. As we scroll down the page, this table is our system alerts. So what we're showing here is anytime a technician out in the field finds a deficiency, we're going to put this into this table. We also do other alerts. This one, for example, is our regulator ops. So this sprung an alarm. This one is a low nitrogen alarm. We can click on this button here, the magnifying glass, to get a quick overview of what this is. If we want to look at other deficiencies, it's as easy as clicking this magnifying glass. So here we've got a line patrol deficiency. It's a bird nest patrol. So if we open this up, we have the deficiency information and a photo of what it is. Of course, here's a bird nest. We can click on that image and get a better look at exactly what is the issue. On the right-hand side of the dashboard is our PZM Pulse. So we're going to list any inspections that are past due. We have line patrols that are due this year. This particular co-op has bird nesting issues. So they have 2 that are past due on bird nesting. And we talk about maintenance tests that are due this year and then next year. And below these 3 are our system alerts. So low drag hands, high drag hands, and regulator ops, and breaker ops alerts. So that's our dashboard for PZM, and everything is a simple quick link. You can click on any of these. It's going to take you right into that. If we wanted to look at our substation assets and our open deficiencies, we just click that button and it shows us all our deficiencies. So that's the dashboard within PZM.